Hey guys, welcome back to another video and you are watching Tech Phantom. So Honor has added its new band in the Honor family, which is Honor Band 6, which is the latest fitness band which is offered by the Honor. Starting off with the specification, the Honor Band 6 come with the latest 1.47-inch of AMOLED display with a resolution of 194 into 368 pixels, which is compared to almost double when compared to Honor Band 5, which was launched last year in November. The screen also supports 2.5D curved glass, which offers a different kinds of watch faces. Now, unlike the Honor Band 5, the Band 6 does not have any kind of capacitive key on its screen or in the front side. Instead, it has on the right side, it has the single button to wake or sleep to your band. On the left hand side of this band, it has the Honor branding. Now, talking about the specification further, the band comes with 10 different sport modes including outdoor running, outdoor walking, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, swimming, free training and much more features. And the device is waterproof up to 50 meters. Moreover, the band also comes with the heart tracking along with the blood oxygen monitoring and sleep tracking. It also features women's health management that tracks menstruation cycle, and the NFC variant of the band also features a contactless payment and a voice assistant. Now, talking about the connectivity, the band comes with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Now, once your band is connected with your smartphone, it can show you notifications and even phone calls, and you can also control music with your fitness band. The band comes with 180 amps of battery, which Honor claims it can last up to 14 days on a single charge. It also comes with a proprietary magnetic cradle to charge the device, just like the Honor Band 5. And the Honor Band 6 can be charged within 65 minutes. Now, if we compare to the weight of the Honor Band 6 compared to Honor Band 5, the Honor Band 6 weighs around 18 grams without strap, which is on the heavier side when compared to Honor Band 5. Now, talking about the price and availability of the Honor Band 6, it is launched of 249 yuan for the non-NFC variant, which roughly translates to 2700 rupees in Indian pricing, and the NFC version is being priced at 289 yuan, which converts around 3200 of Indian rupees. In China, the pre-order is available for the Honor Band 6 and it will go on sale on November 11. The band is available in meteorite black, grey, coral powder color options. Right now, we don't have exact how much will it cost in India or when it will launch in India. But stay tuned for more and do subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.